Hi, good evening, magandang gabi. It's Learn Tagalog pronunciation video from August 17 to August 23 ng mga Tagalog words at phrases from our Learn Tagalog Facebook page. Let's start with the word modern. Sa Tagalog, moderno. 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 Next, let's say I don't want to call you, I don't want to see you, and I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to see you. Ayaw kitang makita. Ayaw kitang makita. I don't want to call you. Ayaw kitang tawagan. Ayaw kitang tawagan. I don't want to talk to you. Ayaw kitang kausapin. Kausapin. Ayaw kitang kausapin. I want or I like. Gusto ko. Examples. Gusto ko to. I like this. Gusto ko yan. I like that. Gusto ko sila. I like them. Gusto ko siya. I like her or I like him. Gusto ko si Ana. Gusto ko si Ana. I like Ana. Try this. Subukan mo to. Subukan mo to. Subukan mo to. Miracle, milagro. Milagro. Or you can also say himala. 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 Himala or milagro. Inside and outside, loob at labas. Inside, loob. 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 Outside, labas. Labas. Loob at labas. Bottle and plastic, bote at plastic. Bottle, bote. Bote. Plastic, plastic. It is pronounced the same, the only difference is the spelling. Plastic. Climate, klima. 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 Patatas. Patatas. Pa-ta-tas. Patatas.